Alright, here we go. Last few parts for the cutlass, man. Went ahead and finally was able to get them cleared. Painted and cleared today. Still wet. Fresh out the gun, man. Minimal orange peel, man. See the stripe marks on there. Not too sure what color I'm gonna do them yet. Still debating on the interior color, so just play it by. See how it go. Right here. See this thing right quick. Not wet sanding buff just yet. Fresh out the gun, man. Like I said, minimal orange peel. Best way to do it. Little duster. Started wet sanding on the quarter panel. I ain't done just yet. A couple more grits to go through. See how it turned out. My first time wet sanding buff in this car. Figured I'm gonna go ahead and do it since I'm running through the whole thing. Still gotta do my little digital dash. Get my dash route, complete interior coming. Don't know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet. New seats, all that shit. Like I said, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet, but I got an idea in mind what I'm going for. Cleaned the motor up, pulled it out about a couple weeks ago. Fresh paint on the firewall. New loom on the harness. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do with this shit right here though, man. Damn cord packs and shit. I don't know just yet. Figure something out. See, I gotta get some new inner fenders. I wish I had somebody better that can make this shit for me, man. That's plastic shit, as you can see. Melt throwing shit. Just make this shit look bad. Ain't flaking off. I'll have to order some new one of these and find somebody that can make some better ones for me, man. Yeah, just starting on this motherfucker. Well, not just starting, but we ain't too deep into it yet. I wish I would've had videos from the very, very beginning. Show a little progress through on out. But it's all good. I'll catch you right here. Keep you updated. So I got some ideas for this motherfucker. I've been watching some other guys that do interior and shit, man, and getting some ideas. So I'm gonna come up with something, try to be a little different. But I'm gonna base it off of they shit. They pretty nice with that shit, man. So, yeah. LS swap done by me, turbo install done by me. Tuning it myself also. Of course, paint done by me. Interior, thinking about taking a class for it. I don't know just yet. But the doors, the design for the doors and the center console, that'll be done by me also. Digital dash install done by me. And redo my trunk. I gotta do my trunk over. Might keep a little bit of the same setup, but like I said, I don't know what color interior I'm gonna do. It's not gonna be black though, so it'll get changed up eventually. We'll see how it go. Keep y'all updated, man. Twin turbo LS, cutlass, 70 colors convertible, revamp, man.